What's going on, guys? It's Josh with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a 2022 MasterCraft X22. We just got this boat in on trade. Haven't even had time to get it detailed yet. It's a gorgeous color combination. A really nice tandem axle trailer. This boat has the 6.2 liter GDI with just south of 130 hours. Fiberglass swim platform. Great transom seating area. Let's climb aboard and take a look. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 2022 X22. Here in the bow we have this gorgeous seating, Eclipse audio speakers. We also have a removable bow cushion. As we move back to the helm, we've got two digital displays, one for all of your running stats and the other to control all of your systems, all your lighting, all your surf system, all your music. We also have manual override buttons there for your tabs and your ballasts. Super comfortable captain's chair with flip-up bolster. Over here on the port side, we have your glove compartment and extra storage under the console. Great wraparound seating, perfect for entertaining, hanging out on the lake, watching your buddies surf. On the tower, we've got two pods and quick clamping board racks. This is a beautiful boat, guys. If you guys have any questions or would like to come see this boat in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.